Now, I will put up general issues that came up. Polimuller, there is work that is being undertaken by PWD Highway Division from that Agnal Ashram down to Nuve. So they had applied for permission to cut some trees. So I requested the DCF, Margam, to assist them and immediately grant the necessary permission, which he has assured he will look into it and he will apply for those. I mean, he will grant the permission as sought by PWD. PWD also brought up an issue of their application that was submitted regarding cutting of trees somewhere in Kankon. So that too he has assured he will look into and dispose of it. Both these areas have got issues pertaining to private forest. For example, the stretch between Agnal Ashram and Nuve, there are 2 trees that fall under private forest, for which the DCF doesn't seem to have powers to permit cutting. So he has requested that they should remove those. Basically, that one application should be split into 2. Trees that fall within private forest, one application. Trees that fall outside private forest, another application. And he said he will immediately approve the trees that are falling outside private forest. Regarding the trees that fall within the private forest, he will submit the file to his superiors and he will get that done. Then he will submit to the tree authority and get it done. Then there was a couple of requests that came regarding illegal construction cases. Some of the cases fall within the purview of the deputy collector. In fact, the BJP Mandal had come with requests regarding these regularizations. They came with a list of around seven places. 2 have already been approved. One falls within the CRZ area, so they have no authority. So that way, all the 6 cases, this way or that way, have been disposed of. Then some requests came to what we have requested the Forest Department is that whenever somebody applies for a conversion, that they should, the deputy collector or the collectorate will send a list to the DCF, and he will check his records in what falls in forest area or private forest or whatever. Accordingly, he will inform the collectorate. Whatever falls out of these areas, he will also inform, which will facilitate the collectorate to go ahead and grant conversions. Then there was a request regarding regularization, again, of houses. The Forest Department has also simplified the process, and which in turn is facilitating regularization of structures, subject to, of course, the other rules or other requirements being met. Then there was a case of illegal construction somewhere in Kunkolin, which the collectorate has promised to take up, look into the matter and immediately get the issue solved. There was the police and the PWD have decided to put traffic signals at 3 junctions. First junction being the road between that links Verna to Majorda. So one set of traffic signals will come there. Second is the road from Majorda from Verna to a ward in Verna known as Dulape. Second set of signals will be put there. And the third is the road from Verna to Kansauli, because there is a lot of traffic that goes there because of the railway the railway station. So that is as far as that is concerned. Then there was a delegation who came regarding the work that is going on right now between Nuvem and Verna Fadagnel complex. Their demand was that access to the houses may be blocked. Their next demand was that the existing gutters should be preserved. Next, their demand was that no median should be put in the middle of the road. As far as the median is concerned, I told them median is a must, because as we have seen, stretch between Agnel Ashram and Nuvem Church, there are so many educational institutes. Children keep running across the road, and consequence to which there are accidents that are taking place. So I've told them there's no way that we can stay without the median. Median will definitely come. Number two, it is to be noted that this land was acquired in the late 80s. This land is not being acquired now. So the owner of the land per se is PWD since it was acquired. And I think I wouldn't be wrong when I say that the same people who say this, most of them, I mean all of them have received compensation from PWD for the acquisition. So I'm of the view that that is PWD property. And PWD has a right to do whatever they want in their property. However, I've given them an assurance that we will, if at all there's a risk of any house going, we will sit with the PWD authorities and find a solution to that. So in short, I've assured them that no house will be demolished. There was a request from traffic police cell to PWD to ensure that the renovation of the proposed traffic police, traffic police station or the cell that is coming up at Fatorda be completed immediately, which PWD has agreed to complete the work within 7 days. Then we've had a review of various PWD works vis-a-vis highways, WRD, Panchayat, a general list. Like there's one lady who claims that her land was taken in 2012 by PWD with an assurance that she would be compensated. They have not acquired the land. In good faith, she's given the NOC. So PWD has started the process. I know that inspections have been conducted to check up what exactly are the details pertaining to that grievance of his, and we will try and resolve it as soon as we can. Then similarly, there was an issue in Majorda, wherein somebody's land was again taken in good faith, but he has not been compensated. Then another issue came regarding that Majorda subway. There again, the owner of the land gave in good faith, and till date, he has not been compensated. So these three cases, they've assured that they will look after. Then there was an issue regarding person has applied for under RTI for certain documents, and which he claims he's applied 3-4 months ago, which till date has not been given to him. So we have assured him that he's going to get those documents today itself. So that I think would be resolved. Then there were another 2-3 matters regarding partition of properties which were lying with the ISLR. That also they will dispose of shortly. Then there was a delegation that came regarding access of roads to their houses. So that also is being taken up, provided they can give NOCs of the owners of the land. Then there was a complaint of regarding spurious liquor in South Goa, which is being stored at a particular place. The police were called. I've spoken to the police. They promised to take action. The collector also has got certain powers, so the collectorate will also act, and the excise have also assured that they will act in the matter. So I think that issue would be resolved. We have there was a delegation that came from the South Goa Komdat Forum. Their main demand is that they should have a permanent administrator of Komdads in South Goa. So I've told them that I will speak to the Revenue Minister, also speak to the Chief Minister and see if that issue can be resolved. Then I've reviewed the construction of the High Court in Margao. That also is being monitored by the High Court. So I think with the intervention of the High Court, that issue construction would be resolved shortly. Then I think you all will agree with me that urban health center work is in progress, and I'm told within 15 days that would be completed as far as the urban health center. As far as the sewage work vis-a-vis the collectorate, I've been assured that work would be completed by 31st March. Okay, so I think that is almost over. As far as the SGPD complex is concerned, the work has been tendered. The work has been allotted to a party. He has ordered the pipes, ordered the pumps, etc., whatever is necessary for like the grease trap, etc. He has ordered all that material. So I get the impression, I'm told that they will start work on the spot by Monday. Then cleaning and testing of the lines in Naveli. The testing of the lines would be completed by 18th March. The releasing of household connections would start thereafter, after the lines are tested. Next is there is a proposal before the government to augment the present capacity of the sewage treatment plant at Sirvade. As of today, the capacity is something like is of 26.5 MLD. So the government has proposed that they would put up a new plant of 20 MLD. So I hope that the immediate issues there would be resolved. Estimates have been prepared, waiting for the final approval to tender the work.